Majestic oaks stand proudly next to towering pines, stunning beauty in a peaceful setting. But what's going on in this still forest is a decades-long research project. This is part of the Shackelford Orchard at Ames Plantation in Fayette County.
100 acres, many different species. We have over 22,000 trees under study.
Dr. Alan Houston with UTs Institute of Agriculture has been watching the growth of several forests, including these genetically improved white oaks that are now about 20 feet tall. Soon this stand will be thinned. A red ribbon means a tree is a keeper. High-quality seed from these young oaks will eventually be passed along to Tennessee landowners. Dr. Houston is searching for trees that will benefit Tennessee's timber industry and still provide habitat and food for wildlife.
What we're doing is we're trying to identify the mother trees, that one and that one, another over here, that we think will pass on genetic traits, the very best genetic traits. They can be straightness, and they can be growth, they can even be disease resistance, drought resistance.
These orchards will produce seedlings genetically improved to grow faster. Researchers here are also studying planting and growing conditions for trees so landowners can pick the variety they think will work best for them. This practice is known as precision forestry. Work going on at the Shackelford Orchard highlights UTIA's 50th anniversary of its tree improvement program. A lover of nature and beautiful hardwoods, Margaret Finley Shackelford left a significant portion of her estate to fund projects like this. Researchers at Ames say because of this generous gift, over $1 million, they've been rewarded with increasingly productive orchards.
Right now we're starting to thin a couple of the orchards, and so we anticipate acorn production in several of the orchards to occur in the next few years, and that will be the beginning of the payoff of this.
In a few years, these young trees should look like this, giants reaching for the sky. But what's also growing at the Shackelford Orchard is knowledge that will benefit Tennessee landowners. And that's the absolute best thing we can have to manage and preserve our precious forest. This is Chuck Denny reporting.